Abahlali bakuWard 30 bahlaba ikhwelo kumagosa ukuba bathabathe amanyathelo angxamisekileyo nxamnye neevenkile ezisisixhenxe zasekuhlaleni ezifunyenwe zingathobeli imithetho yoshishino ngexesha loqoqo nohlolo lwevenkile kutshanje kwindawo yogobityholo baseNomzamo eOrlando East. Esi sicelo silandela intlanganiso yoluntu yangaphambili namhlanje ebihanjelwe ngamagosa amapolisa, isebe lemicimbi yasekhaya kunye nesebe lezempilo nophuhliso lwendalo, apho abemi baphakamise khona iinkxalabo zokuba amashishini ayaqhubeka nokusebenza nangona efunyenwe engathobeli imigaqo-nkqubo. Uceba wewadi uMohau Mulife ukhuthaza abasemagunyeni ukuba basabele ngokukhawuleza koku, elumkisa ngelithi ukulibaziseka kunokubangela udushe eluntwini kwaye kwandise umngcipheko wokuba abahlali bathathele umthetho ezandleni zabo.
It's very embarrassing. It shows what you are being undermined.
Zivutha zingabaselwe izakhamizi zasemjondolo yaseNomzamo kuWard 30 ngenxa yezitolo zabokufika kuleli eziqhubeka nokusebenza yize kutholakale ukuthi azikho esimeni esifanele sokusebenza. Ikhansela lale wadi lithi uhulumeni akayisukumele le ndaba.
Those that are given the responsibility to preside over the inspection of the spaza shops and the health of our own people, they're not really doing justice to what we expect. I mean, out of the 10 spaza shops that we have here in Nomzamo, the 7 were found not to be compliant. And we believe that for the interest of the community, those that were found non-compliant, they were supposed to be closed. So we need a different and a fresh approach as a community, because it seems as if those that are entrusted with the responsibility to help us, they are really not giving us what we expect.
Phakathi kokuvezwe izakhamizi izinsolo zokwesatshiswa yilabo somabhizinisi bokufika uma nje uke wavula elakho ibhizinisi. Kanti ke iCPF yale ndawo ithi ke ngeke izishaye indiva lezinsolo.
Wonke umuntu unelungelo lokuthi angarana noma yipi ibhizinisi ayiranayo, more especially ama-South Africans. So uma ngabe uzoba intimidated ukuthi uvule ibhizinisi efana neyabantu bokufika, intimidate abantu bokufika endaweni yakho yokuhlala, cha angeke siyitolerate leyo. La kusecountryni ekuphilwa kuyona okunomthetho. Njengoba sesitholile into enjengaleyo eyenzakalayo, sizozama ngawo wonke amandla ngoba akhona ama-patrollers in our area ukuthi basimonitharele la bezwa khona izinkulumo ezifana nalezo, sizokwazi ukuthi umthetho su-invite siyovakashela abantu abanjengalabo aba-intimidate abantu.
Kuwo-ke nomhlangano obubanjwe namuhla kuveleke omunye wezakhamizi eseyikhulile okhale ngokuthi owokufika emqashisela isitolo ushaya phansi ngonyawo uma emyalela ukuthi akahambe, kanti-ke iziphathimandla zithe zizolisukumela lolu daba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngeseNomzamo.